Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those that are watching from Instagram, thank you very much for for liking, commenting, and thank you also for sending me your DMs and asking me other questions concerning blended families. Diana from Stepmother World on Instagram and Akelo Diana on YouTube and Akelo Diana on Facebook. So since I started posting blended families things on my page, there are a lot of kids, girls, and I mean mostly youth, like abana ababera with their stepmothers, kids that stay with their step parents. A lot of them were sending me their concerns about them not being treated the same way as the kids whose mothers stay at home, like the ones in the marriage at that particular time. Now, I think let's be mature here. I'm so sorry. I'm going to be a little bit so truthful, which might sound so harsh, but this is the truth that I want you to know. First, my friends, first of all, you have to know one thing: no woman will love another woman's child better than their own child or their own children. If you're in a blended family and maybe you stay with a stepfather or a stepmother, don't expect that man to love you more than his biological children. And don't expect a woman or your stepmother to love you more than her biological children. It will never be. I promise you this, it will never be. I'm not yet a mother, but I don't think I would be that good to love another woman's child than my own child. First of all, I just want you kids to understand one thing. I've been a stepchild, so what I'm telling you is from experience, and this is the truth of the truth. There is one thing you have to understand about the stepmothers. Please, Banange, I really understand what the stepmothers go through. You get my point? Because this is a child you've made, like, they're really old, they're really big, and the kind of bonding you guys are going to have with the stepmother is going to be so different from the kind of bonding this woman has with her children. You get my point? Because for the child, they started bonding even when the baby is still in the womb, and you just like your bond is a hard one. So sometimes you have to excuse these women. And then another point that I would like to make, I don't want to call anyone's name here, but if you know you sent me a DM concerning this kind of my stepmother does not love me, please get to understand. And if maybe you still have your parent alive, your father or your mother, it is even of an advantage that some of you get time to go be with your other family, like maybe your mother or your father, then come back to this family. It is an added advantage that you're going to get love from two homes, from your real mother and then from the stepmother. But from the stepmother, don't expect too much. If they give you too much love, thank God, but don't overput your expectations, like this woman should show me all the heavens and the moons. It won't be there. So for you as a stepchild, you have to appreciate the little time this woman gives you. If it's food, appreciate that. If she doesn't beat you, if she doesn't do anything harm to you, concentrate, read your books, and forget about that kind of thing of my stepmother doesn't love me equal as their kids. You get my point? It can never be. Even your own mother that produced you can never love another woman's child than you. So that is it. And I don't think it can ever change. You get my point? There are people that love their kids and also love the other kids as the same. But deep down inside, trust me, it will be very hard. I understand. That's why some mothers punish their kids more and punishes the other kids that are not hers less, because when they punish these kids that are not theirs, it people feel like it's not fair, but for their own kids, no one blames them. So to me, I feel you just have to bear. I know it hurts sometimes because you see this kind of segregation. It's heartbreaking. It is heartbreaking. But tomorrow I'm going to in my next video, I'm going to tell you how to handle this. Just be strong. Understand that this woman will never love you the same way she loves her children. It can never be. It can never be, my friends. I know that some women that can, but just take it as a bonus, as a blessing, as a big deal if you find that kind of woman. But in most cases, it is very rare. So it's yeah. I'm so sorry that I'm so harsh. I'm so sorry that I've spoken like I'm so rude. But yeah. So let's stop here because I don't want to overspeak things that will hurt you, but just take it from me that is the truth, and it can never change. No woman can love another child than their own children. It can never be. Thank you very much, and subscribe, like and share and comment, and then send me all kind of your attentions or things that caught your minds up about blended families. I will be ready to answer. So for now, I still remain Diana from Stepmother World. Ciao.